he opens the door and like, I shit you not, there is no furniture. And
there's a tarp, Bailey.
There's a tarp.
No. Hi. What is this? Did you guys see that? Oh, I don't think you did. One of my best friends, shout out to Kaylin, by the way, because she is 1 year sober as of today. This video will come out tomorrow, but that's really exciting. Well, hi. Well, hey. Do you guys remember that cat? Listen, we're gonna get right into it, my friends. Daily affirmation time. All right, here we go. Oh boy. All right, I know that I am talented. I am able to find the positive in every situation. Sometimes I hear random screams in the middle of the night and I wonder, are my neighbors okay? Hope so. I don't know if you know this, but I'm not exactly practiced in makeup, okay? It's something I enjoy, and it's something that I have recently decided to discover for myself because I just didn't feel comfortable wearing it when I lived with my parents because I didn't exactly love the judgment that I get. However, I recently have started wearing makeup, and listen, I'm discovering all different kinds of ways that you can do it, ways that it makes you look good, ways that it makes you look bad. I'm actually enjoying right now this Covergirl Clean Matte BB Cream in the shade Light. And it's really light coverage. I don't really like heavy, thick coverage. I still like to look like I have skin. I just, you know, want to have a little bit of evenness. And I like to cover my blackheads. Look at that. All right, bonding time. Name one of your biggest insecurities right now. Besides my normal body image issues, I don't like my bottom teeth. They're jagged, they're weird, and half the time they look extremely yellow. Even though I brush my teeth and floss constantly. I didn't take really good care of my teeth in my younger days, so one day I might just get them all ground down and replaced with something else. So yeah, this is gonna kind of be like my daily routine, like what I'm kind of liking and how I'm kind of liking to do my makeup in these past recent times. Okay, so I actually have a little bit of life update. For those of you who don't know, I was previously working 2 jobs. My job as a preschool teacher and my job as a server. By the way, I'm just gonna be using this e.l.f. crayon liner. I like to go from the corner of my eye about almost halfway in, and then I will kind of fade it out with a brush. I was working 2 jobs and the money was good. Like I didn't have to worry, literally, I didn't have to worry about like bills coming out. I didn't have to worry about extra expenses. I wasn't rich by any means, but I, you know, was doing well. The problem was that with trying to, you know, do my YouTube and doing my podcast and working both jobs, I was just feeling really spread out and really kind of sad. And as much as I liked a lot of my coworkers there and the job wasn't exactly terrible, it didn't make me happy. And I really don't tend to stay places that don't make me happy for too long. All right, so like I said, I only go in about halfway and then I'll drag it out with a brush. This nice blend into the rest of my eye. Yeah, see, I like that. Then I go back in with my NYX liner. Guys, this is one of my favorite liners, honestly. It's NYX Epic Eyeliner in the shade just black. For those of you who are looking at this as more of a tutorial, all I'm really doing is just following, like if my bottom lash line went all the way up like this, it would create this line right here. Well, I only do that line from about right there. And then I connect it and kind of bring it up into my top lash line. Yeah, so that's how I kind of do my eyeliner. Listen, I'll say it one time, I'll say it again. This palette, this shade right here. Hello. It looks like I never did this. Now that was sensual. So here's what we're actually gonna do. We're gonna take this lighter, it's kind of like a warmer brown, and then I will go on the corner of my eye and give like 3/4 of my lid a good like color wash. And I do bring it up onto the, brow bone. There's a little more product than I wanted, but that's okay. Yeah, my therapist was like, you know, if that job stresses you out, like, why don't you just quit? And I was like, honestly, my tolerance just hasn't broken yet. And she was like, okay. And I was like, when it does, you'll know. Yeah, it was definitely the right decision. But now I have more time on my hands, even though I haven't been using it completely wisely because, listen, I've never done this. I fell asleep around 6 and then woke up at 12:30 and I didn't go to bed until the next night. And then it also happened yesterday, but I went to bed at 3 in the morning after I finished the movie that I was watching and then decided to start a whole nother movie. Then I take a smaller brush and I dip into this. I just love the weird oranginess it gives my eyes. And I put it on the inner corner and then under my lash line. Yeah, I've never taken a nap in the middle of the day and then stayed up basically the entire time. It's crazy to me to think that I stayed up almost 24 hours. I pulled all-nighters before, but just not in a long time, I guess. It's really not that crazy, I suppose. So yeah, I like to pack it in on my inner corner because I really like, it's so nice. And I really honestly do like smoking it out pretty heavy-handedly under my eyeball. Ooh, see? We like that. And it's just 2 colors. Wow. Oh, I wanted to do like a top 3. I think I like started wanting to do that. Like top 3 songs, top 3 movies that I've been kind of liking. But coming in at number 1. Okay, I'm gonna put Kiss Me More by Doja Cat featuring SZA first as my number 1 song. Second is Good Days by SZA herself. Oh, and Don't Assume What You Don't Know by Grace Vanderwaal, because she's going through this whole like cool rebrand moment. And I love that for her. And I like her a lot. I always have. I feel like I'm on the up and up. I feel like things could start getting better for me. And it's not like they were going bad. Things have been going pretty good for me, but I've just been feeling some sadness as there's a lot of new changes in the world and in my life and some uncertainty and some wondering. But honestly, I don't know if I'd have it any other way. Well, I literally don't know why I said that because there are a lot of other ways that I'd literally rather have it, and I don't know why I said that. But honestly, that's really it for this week. I just wanted to do something pretty easy and just kind of show you my everyday makeup. Also, please comment and tell me your top 3 favorite songs because I love hearing people's like top 3 favorite songs, like of the week, not like of all time or of all time. Honestly, I don't care. Just give me your 3 favorite songs. And if you leave a little comment below, you might get a shout out in the next video. So I hope you feel a little inspired by the looks that I am serving. Don't forget that I have a podcast called Hold Me, I'm Scared. Me and my best friend really love working on it and we just love sharing our stories. Every week we choose something spooky or scary to talk about and then we explore it, yes. The links to all my social media and the podcast are down below, especially my TikTok because I am always having fun on my TikTok, okay? And I had one that kind of blew up and I'm pretty proud of myself. So yes, this is how we say goodbye on this channel. I'm gonna blow you a kiss and you have to catch it. I don't care, okay? Catch my kiss. No excuses. I don't care what you are. I don't care what you're doing. Catch my kiss. Here we go. Mwah. Get it! You have no choice but to catch my kiss. You have no choice but to catch it. All right, now blow it back and I will catch it. Yes. 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 All right, well, I hope you have a good day, a good night at work, at school, at home, whatever it is you're doing. Have a good one, and I will see you next Friday. Bye. Mwah.